Hi, I'm Neha from Angels Miracle, and today we have Arpita who would be sharing her healing journey with us and how her daughter got healed, how she got healed. So I'm very happy to welcome her on this recording and this discussion for her to share her experiences of miracles. Hi, Arpita. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, ma'am. Hi. So, thank you so much for asking me to share the reviews what happened. So, we are always grateful for you, ma'am. There are two things what I want to share. I don't know. Thanks is not a word to express my feeling actually. So, I had two major problems actually. The problem in the sense there were some issues, but didn't know what is it, how to get this resolved and all. So let me share that in detail. So firstly, I want to take up my daughter's issue. I have a daughter. When she was around 4.5 years, we started noticing a weird problem with her. Usually kids fall sick because of cold, cough, and fever, or diarrhea. Some common issues with children's, right? Everywhere kids will fall sick. So one unique thing with my daughter was when she used to fall sick, she used to get an additional urine infection where her protein were leaking from her urine. So the creatinine levels were going high. So which is something not a negligible issue, and we were very concerned about that. Some 4.5 years till 9 years, we were following allopathic medication where they used to give us steroids, and this medication was going on. So every year, two episodes were like common. So when we start giving steroids, she used to put on weight and all her behavioral changes, many other complications with steroids, right? It used to happen. So we just continued with that, and eventually we had to move to Canada for 2 years. Even there, it aggravated more because of the weather conditions. She used to fall sick often, every 2 months. So almost 1.5 years she was in steroids. So it was very miserable as a parents to see the changes in kids, what was happening, and we didn't have any solution to that. And that is where God has given a message that there is somebody called Neha who does this healing. And it's one of my office colleague who referred you. And I didn't know about this Angel's Miracle, about Theta healing. It's like zero knowledge on this. So I just wanted my daughter to be fine like all other kids, where we parents, we didn't have any worry that, okay, there is a cough coming for my kid and she will get this infection. So we didn't want that, and we blindly trusted. And my sister is who made us to come and meet you. So we, with that trust, we came, and you just briefed what is it and all, and we took a session. And even kid was not knowing what is it. She was 9.5 years old when we took the healing. And it's like 2.5 years from now, I believe now she's 11 years old. And we took the healing, and it's a one episode, and many new things we were able to know, what is the cause and all, why she is doing that. That's something is like which we couldn't believe also, the reason whatever it figured out. But you told us keep observing and let us know. Then the next episode, what we used to expect is like yearly twice she used to get an episodes, right? When during a cold season or whenever she falls sick. And almost a year we noticed it. There is no problem at all, and she's all happy kid. She eats everything, she goes to play, and no episodes of this infection again repeated after we took a healing. So I'm really grateful for that, and she's very happy now. I mean, if you see her now, you will not even notice whether this is the same girl who came for healing. So I'm
And
very
this happened just after one session, right?
yes.
We didn't do much healing for.
Much. Yes, yes, yeah. And you did say that maybe another session would be needed based on the things you notice it. But yeah, it was not needed at all, ma'am. She's all good. It didn't repeat at all. So 9.5 years, and now she's 11.5 years. So 2 years, she has got many episodes of cold, cough, everything. So nothing. She's all good, everything. And I strongly believe this healing has helped her to come out, because 5.5 years or 6 years we were in that medication, right? Every time. So once medication starts, 2 months, I have to give her steroids and again stop it. And again, next episode comes, I have to do. So we are out of that medication now. So I don't have any cabinet where I keep medicines for my daughter now. So thank you. Thank you so much for that, ma'am. So we are very, really grateful for that. Uh,
And I'm grateful to God for doing this for you.
yeah, so it's a very happy story about my daughter.
Yes, it is, and it was an interesting case. I know a lot of other details of it. So
Yeah,
I was also very happy to see that how she completely came out of it.
correct, correct.
Thank you for sharing.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Um, Okay, so the next incident I want to share about myself. Even I have taken a healing. I didn't know what the problem and all before when I came to my daughter. So once I saw the positive side of the healing work for my daughter, so it was like not a planned healing and all. So I am a, allergic asthmatic patient actually. My it is a hereditary problem. My grandpa, my father, my uncle, everyone has this asthma problem. So it's like when the season changes, I get this allergy. So what happened last year was I got a dengue fever, and because of dengue, my immune levels went bad, and I got affected with the allergic bronchitis, and which affected my lungs very badly, where I was not able to breathe. And I was in a oxygen support for 2 months, and nothing was diagnosed. They were doing all sort of tests. I was 2 months hospitalized. Every test, whatever possible tests were there, they did everything. Bronchoscopy, and they did angio for my lungs to check whether there is a problem with the oxygen carrying veins, whether the oxygen is not getting supplied properly. Nothing discovered. The reports were all clean. But I was not getting better with all the medication, with so many doctor supervision. I'm there. I was not getting better. Then it's a random thought came again that okay, why don't we try Neha, ma'am? I was in hospital, and in hospital bed taking a drips and oxygen mask. I have to consult you for a healing, and you did that healing that day, and whatever happened a day in a 1 hour session, I was in hospital. Then I had to go for some other tests as well. So healing happened, and then doctor has said that if things doesn't work out, I may have to go for a lung transplant. So that is one thing which was bothering much for us, because we don't know, right? Replacing the organ, how it works, and it's always alarm call for us. As a family, everyone were tensed, and we didn't know what is happening also. They're doing some trials, nothing is working, and I cannot breathe. If I remove the mask, then I used to fall unconscious. So with all this problem, we just trusted you. Okay, we'll see. We'll take a healing. Then I took a healing that day, around 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. I had taken healing. Then 11:30, I had that angio, CT, MRI, all those things. And very next day, all the reports came, and even reports didn't say anything. I have a problem. So eventually, I didn't have any problem regarding this medical things. I don't know, but reports are all negative. Then within 4 or 5 days, they were able to discharge me, but I was in oxygen support. Then they said it will take little time. Then I made a decision that okay, I'll come out without oxygen mask next appointment when I come. So it's every weekly I had to go to doctor. So I don't know. That's a miracle again. So the very next me appointment what I had from the day of discharge, I went to the doctor without oxygen cylinder. I was able to breathe normally, and I walked myself, no wheelchair, nothing. So I was, and then I told doctor, see, I have come without oxygen support. I'm all good now. So the major lungs problem what I had, the root cause is undiscovered again, but yeah, it has healed. Without knowing a reason, it has healed. So thank you for that also, Neha ma'am. So even today I'm sitting here because this is the season where this weather change happens,
Mm.
summer to rainy and all. So small chota mota visa I get, but it is not aggravating to the level what it has gone.
Mm.
I'm better with small inhalers and puffs what I'm taking. I'm better. I'm doing things in a normal way. So thanks
Mhm.
again for that. Again, my daughter, my husband, my family, everyone, they're able to see me how I was before. Than with the oxygen cylinders and masks, right? So that's hard for family also to see someone. So that way I'm good. So again, thank you for this. These are the two major things what has happened in my own life, which I wanted to share. So anybody, right? If they don't know the reason for the problem, there will be n number of problems, but reason will not be identified. So don't worry about the reason. You have a problem, come and meet Neha ma'am. So one
Thank
stop
you.
solution for everything.
Thank you. See, with your lungs issues, as medical sciences were not able to really diagnose what the issue was, and we worked on only your emotional issues. So this is what happens, you store emotions and you create disease. And once we clear emotions, the disease also loses its grip and it has no reason to stay in the body. And that's my always a suggestion to everyone, that whenever you are healing, work on emotion rather than the symptoms, because it will again come back. So emotions are the one which are holding the disease too tight in the body. So that's why these miracles happen so fast, the healing happens so fast, because we're just working on the road. So I'm very happy and very grateful to God for healing you and showing us these miracles. Thank you
Yeah,
for
yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
sharing your
ma'am.
experience,
Uh,
Arpita.
everyone should at least know that there is something like this where people can get healed without any medication or without any pricks or anything, right? I feel this is one people have to come trust blindly and get this. So I would recommend strongly that please come and visit Neha ma'am to get yourself better.
Thank you so much, Arpita.
Yeah,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care. Have a nice day.